Chinguru chomuriro imensi ya Kenya niko umwaziri bwe enseme y'umuske Opiyo Wandayi abirika gwesokia na goteamuna nerebu ya serikali gochia korigereria engane yo aniga gocha kubatkana amo no comment kana kumbure nyinge gentu kyabirige koirira abakenya abange kwemurungania kubatkana amo no kubura go chinguru chomuriro imensi ya Kenya.
I'm amazed by the kind of work that is going on here. A lot of good work has happened here and continues to happen under the management of Kenya Pipeline Company. This oil jetty alone, which as you know was constructed way back in 2018, but commenced operations in earnest in December or thereabout of 2022, has to date been able to evacuate about 290 million liters of products from Kisumu to Entebbe. That means about 96 or thereabout voyages. The impact of this is tremendous because we have been able to remove from our roads hundreds and hundreds of trucks that would ordinarily be moving all the way from Kisumu to Kampala and beyond. So we still see a very, very big opportunity here for us to not only expand our trade with our neighboring countries, especially Uganda, but to continue to remove trucks from our roads, thereby enhancing safety, road safety, and also reducing our road maintenance cost. As a ministry and as government, we are committed to optimizing the operations at the Kisumu oil jetty. We are looking forward to expanding the infrastructure at the depot, starting with the construction of new tanks to be able to accommodate more volumes. Rather than that, I think going forward, we may of course want also to explore new frontiers. We are in talks with our friendly neighboring country, Rwanda, on the possibility of channeling more of their volumes through Mombasa, of course, Eldoret, and Kisumu,